warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Phirni. Phirni is a classic sweet pudding made with semolina or Suji and milk. It's a very popular dessert and perfect to complete any grand meal. It's very easy to make and loved by all. So let's get started. For making this popular dessert, I have taken 4 tablespoons of Suji or semolina, 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. It's optional, you can skip it. A teaspoon of poppy seeds for garnishing, a pinch of saffron soaked in milk, 6 to 8 green cardamoms, 8 to 10 almonds peeled and sliced. Sugar to start with, I have taken 6 tablespoons because condensed milk is also sweet, so we will just adjust according to our taste. And milk, I have taken 1 liter full fat. You can add other dry fruits also of your choice. Now moving to recipe, I have heated up milk in a pan and I have added green cardamoms to it. The flame here is high and I am adding saffron milk mix to it. We'll keep stirring in between, and then I'll be adding sliced almonds. So once it starts to boil, I will keep flame on medium, and then I'll add sugar, and then I'll be adding semolina or Suji slowly so that no lumps are formed. We have to keep stirring so that no lumps are formed in this. After a few minutes of boiling, I will add condensed milk to it. Keep stirring till we get the desired consistency. It may take around 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame, and we have to be patient with stirring. So we will keep stirring till it thickens. It should not be running consistency and it should not be too thick. Here you can check sugar also and adjust accordingly. So here you can see it has a perfect consistency. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame and pour it into the serving bowls. Now we will allow it to cool. Ideally we should refrigerate it for a few hours because it tastes best when chilled, and I'm just garnishing it with some poppy seeds. So here the Phirni is ready. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.